Creating something often takes a lot of effort. You have to cut, you have to glue, you have to make, you have to prepare, you have to cook. But it takes effort, right? Even writing on a piece of paper, it takes effort. But I was reading in my book today, and I seen this, that all the things that we see today, evidentially from what was written here, says it was just said. Genesis chapter 1, we find here that God said. That's all he did. He didn't touch, he didn't poke, he didn't cut, he just said. It said, God said, let the firmament, he said, let the waters, he said, let the earth bring forth grass. He just said it. It's pretty awesome to me to think about how powerful our God truly is. He doesn't have to sweat. He doesn't have to cut himself. He doesn't have to do these things. He just said, and it became. Man, I think about that in my life. Sometimes I have needs, I have hurts, I have desires, but really all it takes for God to interact in my life is just a word. Something simple. So I don't know if you need that today, but whatever's going on in your life, whatever's going on in my life, I'm telling you, God can interact with just a word. He may choose not to, but he can. And the fact that he can, all he has to do is just say. We find even in the New Testament, Jesus, when they came to him, there's one man that said this, you don't have to come, all you have to do is just say, and it will be. That's the power of my God, and I'm thankful he watches over us. The things that he lets us go through, he allows us to go through. But if he wants to change it, all he has to do is just say.